relationships, neighbor, friend, acquaintance, colleague, couple. Pen pal, best friend, partner, fiancé, fiancée, engaged couple, groom, bride, bridal couple. Important life events: to be born, birth certificate, go to nursery school, to start school, to make friends, to graduate, to immigrate, to immigrate, to get a job, to fall in love, to marry, wedding, honeymoon, anniversary, to have a baby, christening, baptism, holy water, to divorce, to retire, to make a will, to die, the funeral. Parties, festivals and celebrations, birthday, gift, present, anniversary, birthday card, carnival, Easter, Christmas.